Curious about how you can make money by answering questions online? This video is perfect for you. Today, I'll introduce you to 7 platforms that get you paid for answering a set of questions. Regardless of your background, interests, or skills, you'll find a suitable way to earn. With some effort, some of these opportunities can be quite profitable. Let's get this started right away. Number 1. Just Answer. Just Answer provides an opportunity to earn money by answering questions in your area of expertise. Experts on the platform can make an average of $2,000 to $7,000 per month, although this demands considerable effort and specialized knowledge. Just Answer is accessible from nearly any country and is particularly suitable for those with expertise in fields like medicine, law, tech support, or mechanics. Number 2. Help Owl. This allows you to answer questions about various companies and brands. By answering questions, you earn points that can be exchanged for different prizes. Although the earnings are not as high as on Just Answer, it's easier to get started, and the answers required are less detailed. Number 3. Paid surveys. A common problem for researchers while in the process of making their papers is the respondents' participation in their surveys. Paid surveys are a great and easy way to make some extra money online. They paid the respondents to get their survey done. In return, you, the respondent, earned real cash. You answer questions about various topics for market research purposes. The amount you earn and the availability of surveys depend on your country. Make sure to join the best survey sites for your country. Number 4. Ask Wonder. If there are websites that pay you to answer research questionnaires and surveys, Ask Wonder is a platform where you can get paid to do research. Companies post research tasks that you can apply to complete, offering payment rates of $15 to $25 per hour. However, it demands considerable effort and the ability to meet deadlines. If you enjoy and excel at research, this platform can be highly rewarding. Additionally, the tasks vary widely, allowing you to work on different topics and continually learn new things. It's a great way to leverage your research skills while earning a substantial income. Number 5. School Solver. School Solver is a platform that allows you to become an online tutor, answering questions about school assignments. You can view the payment for each question before deciding to answer it. Questions that pay more typically require greater effort and expertise. If you like assisting students, this can be a great way to earn extra money. Additionally, the platform covers a wide range of subjects, so you can choose questions that match your strengths. It's also a flexible way to work, allowing you to help students on your own schedule. Number 6. User testing sites. User testing sites compensate you for evaluating websites and apps and providing feedback. This usually involves recording your screen and voice while you test. The pay can be substantial, with some tests offering up to $75 for 30 minutes of work. However, most tests pay around $10 to $20 for 10 to 20 minutes of your time. It's an easy way to earn extra money by sharing your user experience. Number 7. Answere. To finish our set of paying websites, we have Answere. Answere gets you paid for answering brief questions. It's like Quora, but you get paid for each response. You earn 10 points per answer, with 10 points equaling 1 cent. Although the pay is minimal, the questions are typically quick and easy to answer. You can cash out once you reach $2 initially and $5 for subsequent withdrawals. That concludes our video for today. Thank you for tuning in. We hope to have you again on our next upload. See you.